Munchkins, what is up? I hope you guys are doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today's video is going to be very easy and it is going to be a makeup tutorial, but it is not going to be a full face tutorial. It will be just eye focused. I have been experimenting and I have been trying to find like easy ways how you can do the perfect smudged foxy eye look. You all know foxy eye, it is so much in trend. It makes your eye look very long and sexy and sultry and whatnot. I was playing around with products, experimenting, and then I found the perfect way of doing a smudged foxy eye look using very affordable products. And today I will be using all Blue Heaven products. I have been getting a request on trying Blue Heaven products, so this is for you all. I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and without any further ado, let's begin. As mentioned, this is going to be an eye focused video. I have zoomed you guys in so you guys can see exactly what I am doing and you can learn a bit better. I haven't applied anything around my eyes. You can see I haven't even filled in my brows. So whenever I start doing my eye makeup, I always first start by filling in my brows. For some reason I feel naked without my brow because मेरे eyebrows के बाल बहुत ज़्यादा हल्के हैं, as you can see, and जब तक मैं fill ना कर दूँ I feel that मेरे face को shape नहीं मिलता. So of course I will start by filling in my brow, and today I will be using the Blue Heaven brow pencil styler. It is water resistant, long lasting and smudge proof. This brow pencil comes with its own brush, and of course on the other side you get the actual brow product. Now I love brow pencils that come with their own brush. Makes it very easy to carry around and there's no hassle to keep a separate brush to brush out your eyebrows. I'll first use the brush and comb out my brow hair. Nowadays I have been loving my brows to look very natural. You know, you can see I have extra hair around my brows. They don't look very defined. I feel natural bushy brows are very much in trend, and embracing yourself is the key here. Now it looks pretty fine. Maybe in the next 10 days I will have to visit the salon and get them threaded. The consistency of this brow pencil is not too waxy and not too creamy. I personally don't like my brow products to be too creamy or waxy because they tend to make your brow hair stick together and they clump and they don't want to move. They look very clumpy and cakey, if that's the right word. After that's done, now you can see I do have a little bit of discoloration around my eyelids. A great hack to cancel out this discoloration is use a concealer before applying your eyeshadow, eyeliner or whatever you are using. Concealer base is great if you're applying eyeshadow. It makes your eyeshadow pop more and also makes your eye makeup stay longer. And today I will be using the Blue Heaven Flawless Liquid Concealer. I have two shades here with me. One is caramel and the other one is honey. I'll be mixing these two together to apply it on my eyelids. Now I'll use the 2X Intense Kajal in Black Shark. Now this kajal is so pigmented. It is very creamy. I'll start drawing a line very close to my lash line like so. Now because this is a smudge proof eyeliner, I want to work very fast and blend it out using a very tiny detailer brush like this. You see, like the brush is very dense and it has a pointier tip. I'll use a clean brush and blend out the edges so it's not harsh. After smudging, I will make sure that I get back the black intensity near my lash line, because usually whenever you are smudging your eyeliner, you tend to lose the intensity of your kajal. Now for my wing, I will use my angle brush like this and create a very precise line like this. I'll use the same kohl kajal and tightline my upper waterline. When you tightline your upper waterline, it gives an illusion that you have fuller lashes. Next, I will use the Easy Sketch Intense Eyeliner. Use this eyeliner to create a foxy eye. The tip is so precise. See that? It's crazy. I quickly want to show you guys these two colored kajal that I have from Blue Heaven. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to use this blue kajal. I'm wearing pink today, otherwise I would have definitely used this blue kajal. The color payoff is to die for. Look at that, how pretty. Also have the shade Green Queen. This is also very pretty. Now to finish off this eye, I will use the Lash Twist Curling Mascara. I'll quickly do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So my other eye is also done. I personally don't like applying a kajal on my lower waterline. I feel that my eyes look very small and I'm not a huge fan of that look. But if you enjoy applying kajal, go ahead, apply your kajal in your lower waterline and smudge that properly. Now this is how you achieve the perfect smudged foxy eye look. I absolutely love it. It is so Instagrammy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I will leave all the products that I've used in today's video in the description box below. Really enjoy using Blue Heaven products. I mean, for the price, the product quality is absolutely top notch. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick simple tutorial, and if you did, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, also follow me on Snapchat and Instagram if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.